In this quick review today, we're going to talk about how to use coterminal angles to find the values of sine and cosine. So sometimes you'll be given this angle in your sine or cosine problem that's not actually on the unit circle. But we can find these using coterminal angles. As just a reminder, coterminal angles are just angles that differ by a full revolution around the circle, which means they end up in the same place, which means they have the same sine and cosine. So sine of 15 pi over 4, if you're trying to do any of these trig problems, you want to kind of pull up your unit circle, and you look around and you see the biggest one is 7 pi over 4, which is smaller than 15. So this angle is too big. I need to subtract 2 pi. That's a full circle in radians. I can make 2 pi a fraction by just putting it over 1. I need to get the bottom of the denominators to be the same, so I'm going to multiply this by 4 over 4 to get that. And then 15 minus 8 is 7. So now I just do sine of 7 pi over 4, and that's negative root 2 over 2. Cosine of 945 degrees. The biggest angle on the unit circle is 360 degrees. So this angle is too big. So I'm going to subtract 360 and get 585. But that angle is still too big, so I'm going to do it again. I can do this as many times as I need to. I get 225. So the cosine of 945 is the same as the cosine of 225, which is negative square root of 2 over 2. And here we have a negative angle. Nothing's going to change. All right, all the angles on here are positive, so I got to do something to it. And I'm going to add 2 pi. I make it a fraction by putting it over 1. Multiplying by 3 on the top and bottom to get these angles, the denominators to be the same. Adding together, negative 4 plus 6 is 2. And now I'm looking at 2 pi over 3, which is there, and its sine is the square root of 3 over 2. So for radians, when you see this pi, you're going to add or subtract 2 pi, making sure you get a common denominator. For degrees, you have 360. Just keep going until you have something on the circle and do your sine and cosine stuff after that.